So, as the year progresses, you might find that you are having to scroll through your modules too much because there's a lot of information in each module. So, what we can do is collapse or hide those pages in the module by clicking this arrow here to the left of the module name. Watch what happens when I click that arrow. Now, all the information from this module is collapsed or hidden. This is a really helpful practice when a week is through, so it'll be easier to find your current week's module. But what if I need to go back and review something from last week? It's still there. I just click the triangle again, and all that information reappears. So, if I click this black triangle to the left of a module name, that module will be collapsed or hidden, and that makes it easier for me to scroll through and find the current week's information.